So we're all going to load in the same gable roof. So we're going to click on our 3D warehouse and we're going to type in gable roof, enter. And the gable roof I want you to load is this one. There's two of the same, just load that top one. Hit download and yes, load it directly in. And we're going to place it off to the side and check it out and see if there's anything I can edit right off the bat. So I'm going to double click in to get in my edit mode. And as I'm looking at this roof, I'm realizing this I need, but this would be a part of my wall. So I'm actually going to delete that surface and the line that goes with it. And then I'm looking, okay, that's a solid wall. Let's see how it looks on this side. Oh, this is not a solid wall over here. So I need to draw on that surface, so it is. Snap it to that midpoint and draw it down. Didn't work. Try it again. And drawing all these surfaces. There we go. So I just have to complete the triangle. And now I have kind of a solid wall on both sides. And this is looking pretty good. So now I'm going to click off to the side. And I'm going to use my move tool. You can go to M or go to the move tool or click N to get into it. And I'm going to click on this corner here and snap that with the corner of my house. And then I'm going to go to my scale tool. It's kind of all about scaling it in. So I'm going to get it kind of close to the right size. Bring it in here. Bring it in on this side. And it's just kind of a lot of maneuvering. And you're doing the best that you can to get as close as possible. Okay, so that's looking pretty good side to side. But now it's way too long. So I'm going to drag it in and try to make my walls flush here the best that I can. Now this is overhanging. So I'm going to bring it in. So it's kind of a lot of back and forth until you're happy with it. So something like that. Let's say my gable's too tall and I want to scrunch it now kind of thing. But I'm happy with it, so I'm going to leave it. And that's one way to make a roof.